So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find integration from 0 to 1 8 log 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx. So you see 1 plus x square here. Whenever you see 1 plus x square in integration, we usually use the substitution x is equal to tan theta, right? So if I put x is equal to tan theta, so dx will be equal to secant square theta d theta. So what does this integral become? So first, let us change the limits. When x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 1 implies theta is equal to pi by 4. So 8 times log of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus x square, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta into dx becomes secant square theta d theta. Secant square and secant square gets cancelled. That is equal to 8 times integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. So again, this is a very standard integral which you need to remember. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta is nothing but 8 times the value of this is pi by 8 log 2. This is a very standard formula. You can find this derivation in any board level book or integration. So 8 and 8 gets cancelled. That is equal to pi log 2. Okay, so pi log 2, option D is the right answer. So for completion's sake, I'll do this derivation. But in exam, you should be able to remember this. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan theta d theta is always equal to pi by 8 log 2. So how do we derive this? So I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. So this I is again equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4. So I can substitute pi by 4 minus theta in the place of theta, right? Because 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta d theta. So this is also equal to I, that is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of, I'll just expand this tan of pi by 4 minus theta, which is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. So 1 plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta d theta. That is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of, so if you take LCM, you get 2 by 1 plus tan theta d theta. That is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan theta d theta, which is same as I. So I is equal to this minus I. So 2I becomes, so this implies 2I becomes 0 to pi by 4 log 2 dt is log 2 times pi by 4. So I is equal to pi by 8 times ln 2. Once you see this derivation, so try to remember this result. Integration from 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is always equal to pi by 8 log 2. Thank you.